Welcome to day 5 of my self-made maternity leave at 31 weeks and 2 days. Naiba ang breakfast ko today kasi natakam ako sa luto ni mama na arroz caldo with boiled egg. Nakadalawang balik ako kasi ang sarap. Before lunch, nag-breathing ball exercise ako since may meet up with a friend ako mamayang hapon. I really enjoy my breathing ball exercises and ang saya sa feeling na I'm not just doing it for me but also for our baby. I love na laging may green leafy vegetable kami for lunch and dinner lalo na't may mild anemia ako during this pregnancy. Super appreciate ko ang in-laws ko. For snack, kinain ko yung natitirang yogurt with the usual dates, granola, and cacao nibs habang nanonood ng mukbang. Konti na lang yung yogurt ha, baka akala nyo marami pa kasi ang laki ng lalagyan. Tingnan nyo naman ang postura, very pregnant. After magpahinga ng konti, nag-ready na ako for my meetup with Tessa, my VG leader nung single pa ako. Minsan na lang ako lumabas kaya syempre e-effortan ko na. So happy nakapagkita and catch up ulit kami after a year. Magta-transition na rin siya guys, finally. Pagka-uwi, kumain lang ako nitong sinukmani na gawa ni mama. See you tomorrow!